Hello, my little darlings. Darling Missy is back with a soul food mukbang. And today on the menu we have corn on the cob, still smoking hot. I got sweet potatoes. I got some good old greens and just a little baked chicken. And my greens, season my greens with smoked neck bones and pigtails. So they are going to be really, 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 really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it on in right now because I'm hungry. I've been waiting all day. I got my drink right here. I got a little Jose. Whoa, little Jose today. How was you guys' Mother's Day? Let me taste it first because I have not tasted these yet. It's still hot. Look how hot they are. Look how hot that is. It's still smoking. Smoking hot. Now them good. Let's see how these taste. I normally put these in the cook them on the stove. I cook them in the oven. I like them on the stove. They're pretty good. It's pretty good. I wish I had some macaroni, but I don't. That corn too hot. I already know. I don't even need no hot sauce. I don't need nothing on these. Pigtail. Look at all that. That leg bone fell all apart. It fell apart in there. Man, these greens right here got a whole story by themselves. I wanted greens on Mother's Day yesterday, but my family wanted to go out to eat, so I didn't cook them on Mother's Day. So that meant I wanted to still cook them because when else was I gonna cook them? Because I got to work all week. I couldn't cook them next weekend because I'm going to Memphis and they'll be bad. I'm not into wasting money. So when I got home from dinner with my family on Mother's Day, which was wonderful, I picked them and cleaned them. Boil my meat. I'm gonna put a bit on there. Boil my meat so that when I came home from work today, all I had to do was throw the greens, warm up the meat with the meat, throw them greens in there, and here we are, 7 o'clock. Eating good in the neighborhood. I took my earrings out. My mother gave me some beautiful earrings for Mother's Day. I took them off though. When I come home from work, I like to take everything off. I like to fix this thing so that the food can be in the camera and me. I don't know how to do that. This chicken, I want some of this on there. You know I love my red hot sauce. Sweet chili sauce, I mean. It's really good on this chicken too. When you bake your chicken, just put some on top of it. It'd be really, really, really good. It don't have to be Frank's either. It could be any kind. Excuse me. I don't know what else I wanted. I gotta have my cukes. This time, they didn't have the baby cukes. They had salad cucumbers, which were small. They looked like little baby pickles. They look like little pickles. That's what they look like. No, they look like real pickles. As opposed to, let me see if I got a little one in. I do. So I'll show you the difference. I'll show you. You see, but these are the baby cukes that I normally get. But these were salad cukes that they had at Walmart yesterday, and the baby cukes. So I got these instead. Mm. That's good. You know that vinegar on the greens tastes so good. Mm. Mm. That's why I wanted the greens, so I could take greens to work all week. Mm. I'm getting excited. I'm going to Memphis in May. I can't wait. I wasn't real sure if I was going, but surprise, surprise, I am. I am. I got nothing ready, but I don't need nothing. I think I got everything. I'm at that age where I'm beyond going to buy a new outfit for every time you going somewhere. Mm-mm. I don't need a new outfit. That people feel hot. It's too hot. Mm. Corn look like it cooled off a little bit. I'm gonna try it without putting no salt on it. I didn't put no butter on it. I usually do. And salt and pepper. I'm gonna try it without it. Mm. And guess what? It's still good. I ain't no nothing. So what are some of the things that you gonna do if you ever go to Memphis in May? What do you do? Give me some ideas of what I could do. I'm going to some restaurant with I don't even know the name of it. I don't know the name of it. But it's from Food Network. We were supposed to be going there. I already got a coupon, but that's how I roll. I don't like to pay full price for nothing. This is kind of banging. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. I like a lot of fat in my greens. I like a lot of meat in my greens. That's what I'm going on with that. Look at that. Mm. Mm, mm. So on June 1st, I'm going on a diet. Well, I'm not on a diet. But I'm just gonna eat low carb. That means I had to give my corn up. I think corn is a carb. Is corn a carb? Corn a carb? Corn a carb? Because I don't know, but I like corn. But I probably won't be eating it. I'll just be eating meat, proteins. And fruits and vegetables. I feel like I want to put some more sauce on here. Man, this is good. This is the bomb diggity dog, diggity dog. Mm. My weekend was so full. Jose. Some of my margarita left from Cinco de Mayo. I think I like it. I think I'm gonna get one to take all the time. Strawberry lime margarita. Mm. I would love to know how to clean your flat top stove. I don't like. I want it to look brand new. It doesn't look brand new anymore. So if anybody got any suggestions, mm, on how to do that stuff, I'm sorry, I'm country. I don't know why. I'm throwing shit on the floor. I get it. I get it. It seems like creams taste so good with your fingers. Mm, they do. Mm, mm, mm. Everything good. Mm. I ain't got no napkin. My shit, I mean, that is still hot. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I think I'm gonna do a new fork challenge. See who's gonna eat with their fork. No more fork for them. I'm done. Bless you. Uh, you don't need no stinking forks. Mm, 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 mm. Uh-oh. Mm, mm-mm. I can't see. This food is gone. I ate it all. And I want some more. Mm, mm-hmm. So good. So good. I'll be eating some more greens. I got a lot of them. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, it's the quickest I got done eating before with everything. Mm. That's how you know it's bomb. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna get some more. Mm, mm, mm. I did that. That's how you know I prefer my cooking so much better because I can eat my own food when I got other people's stuff. I don't eat it all. This is good. Well, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment on the bottom. Oh, man, excuse me. And give me a thumbs up. That was a great group, by the way. So I'll see you guys Wednesday with another video. I don't want to touch it because my finger's messy. Alright guys, see you later.